Reagan fighter plane of Pilot Benji. So this is the second time around testing. So that's Pilot Benji walking, trying to start. Okay, now the plane is flying. Good. Oh, there. So where is that? So that's it. Oh, there. It's flying good. Okay. Once again, that is the scratch belt, 28 inch wingspan, many 3D Pilot Benji. Made and designed Pilot Benji. Oh, that's flying so low. Oh, but still good. Oh, I think he able to correct the adjustment now. He changed the battery, so it's okay. It's flying good now. That's a hovering. See, hovering. Oh, wow. So that's a good fly by Pilot Benji. Oh, oh, that's rolling. So, ooh. Although it's windy, but he able to survive. See? Oh, that's again rolling maneuver. Okay. Ooh, it's very windy here in La Mirada Croatian area. It's very windy. Okay. Going high. Oh, that's it. Oh, it's hover. So it's very windy, Pilot Benji. So there it was. Oh, it's quite difficult to maneuver to fly it because of the wind. Oh, Pilot Benji, careful. Oh, oh, it's dead. That's it. Oh, that's dangerous, Pilot Benji. Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I think he will land, but he's not landing. Okay. Oh, really windy. Oh, no, it's good. Feels so good. Pilot Benji by Chuck Manchoni. Yeah. So, oh, it will land now, I think. Oh, just a hover. Oh, hovering maneuver. Oh, that's a hover, my friends. Oh, the Reagan fighter plane. That's a rolling maneuver. Fantastic. See? Oh, yeah. It's dangerous, Pilot Benji. It almost hit the ground. Oh, that's a wonderful plane. Wonderful plane. Okay, the rolling maneuver again. It's quite a little bit higher. Oh, Pilot Benji is good. And that's the Reagan fighter plane 14771. Oh, now we'll land. Oh, Pilot Benji. It's so near the ground. I thought he is landing, but he's just hovering very low. See? Can you see it? It's very low on the ground, as if he will land. Oh, wonderful. Okay, that's it. Oh, wonderful, Pilot Benji. He able to manage the plane very well. Here it is. Oh, beautiful plane. Ooh, it's just almost an inch between the ground. See? That's hovering. The plane just hovers. Oh, and then rolling maneuver. Oh, I'm only a little bit nervous, Pilot Benji. Oh, don't make my heart pump so fast. Oh, okay. That is okay. Oh, that's it. It hovers, huh? See? That's hovering.
This is my design.
This is self-designed by Pilot Benji. A scratch belt 28-inch wingspan, Minute 3D. That's the Reagan Fighter plane 14771. Wow. Oh, Pilot Benji. You have a great design. Oh.
It's a windy day.
It's a windy day, but it's flying good. No problem. Okay. Don't forget the time, Pilot Benji. I think you're almost up. It's already 6 minutes. So I think he will land now. Oh, he will land. He will land it in his hand. He will catch it, I think. Not this time. See? Wow. That's what Pilot Benji made his plane so good. See? That's it. You can land it by your hand, Pilot Benji. Now he's landing now. Oh, wonderful. That's a success, Pilot Benji. A wonderful plane. That's a marvelous plane, Pilot Benji. Yes. That's the Reagan fighter plane. Beautiful plane.
Designed by myself.
That's right. See?
It runs pretty much good on a 1300 AMH LiPo 2-cell battery on 8 by 3.8 prop.
Okay.
I'm using a 1300 motor. Alright.
Okay, Pilot Benji. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, my friends.